luche Wangwela mami fe Onye nkuzi Ina kuzila nyife Adandibo Mwangwe luche Ina kuzulu mwife Mife mwa Mife mputife Adandibo Ineme kairotife Ina kuzila nyife Adandibo Mwachukunyala mamife
Chichi, how are you?
I know.
What of that your brother's illness?
He's getting worse day by day.
Are you serious?
I'm tired.
But I thought you guys have taken him to the hospital.
Of course, so we've been to different hospitals.
Yet no improvement. What about the series of prayer houses you guys took him to?
In the name of God.
Wow. Sister Choma.
Pastor, thank you for coming.
Your brother is so will be okay.
Amen.
Miracle have taken place.
Amen.
All right. One thing again. Hope you know where my car is parked. Hope my thanks is coming is there now. My thanks for coming.
Pastor, I don't understand what you mean.
Why would you tell me that you don't understand what I mean? See, you don't expect me to drive all the way from my place to this place without putting fuel in my car now. Eh? I know you understand now.
Is that it?
Let's go inside. Say you arrange one or two things. I trust you.
Okay.
Hey, that's your man.
My dear, those people have extorted money from us. Still, my brother is getting worse day by day.
Chichi, I have been meaning to tell you this, but just that I don't know how you will take it.
What is it?
You know, you could remember your father did these traditional things.
Yeah.
And your grandfather also did it. I think that is the issue with your brother.
But how does it affect my brother's health?
It does a lot, my dear. It does a lot. If you are called to do things traditionally and you refuse to answer the call, it affects the victim seriously.
What do I do?
Why not try, you know the late Oraka now? His son is following his footsteps. So why not go there for him to conduct
late
Alpha?
Oraka's son.
Exactly. So why not go there? He will conduct Alpha for you to find out what the problem is with your brother.
Okay, so are you saying that if he conducts the Alpha and see what the problem is, my brother will be fine?
You should be able to find out what the problem is.
Okay.
Since you guys have been to so many hospitals, no improvement, series of prayers, why not try it traditionally?
You know, we have tried so many places. But if you say so, I'll try it. Because I want my brother to get well. I want his health to be okay.
I understand, my sister. Just go and try. Okay?
Okay. I'll try it if you say so. So you mean like if he conduct the Alpha and
You should be able to find out what the problem is, because I think since your grandfather did these traditional things, your father also did it. It's in the lineage. I think that is the issue with your brother too.
Okay. I will try it. Wise one.
Chere. Then nna ya akpọkọ unu. Ya akpọkọ nne ka ya akpọkọ nnu ya akpọkọ nna afọ. Ya akpọkọ nna nkwọ. Ka na ọnụ mberede ka eji ama dike na mberede nye dike mberede ka eji ama dike. Ife ndị bịa n'ihu onwe na akwa na nsogbu ka nwa unu nwaanyị a bụ bịa. Achọrọ m ka mmalụ ife mere o ji wee bịa n'ihu unu taata. Ọjọọ a m ji n'aka wa ọjị nna agọrọ unu ka unu wee gwa m because a na-enyekwanụ mmụọ wee nye mmadụ. Ka nna wapụrụ na ọjị na-eke, ka nna wapụrụ na ọjị n'oyi, ka nna wapụrụ na ọjị n'afọ, ka nna wapụrụ na ọjị na nkwọ. Biko nụ, bịanụ ya gwa m na ife mere o ji bịa ebe. Okay. O nwere nwanne gị nwoke ahụ adịrọ. Ọ maka nne ka iji bịa ebe. O nwere ife na-eme. O nwere ife na-eme. O nwere okpu oku akpọrọ ya. Mana ọ chọghị ịza anya bụ okpu oku. So ọnya bụ okpu oku ihe mere ife na-arịa. Ọzọ akwara anya bụ okpu oku ife niile na-eme ya agwụ.
Na ọzọ ha na ife na-eme ya akwụsị.
Gbam.
Kedu ife bụ okpukpe oku a?
Ọ inye arụsị be nna ya nne. Okpu oku akpọrọ ya ka ọ bịa fee arụsị be nna ya. Ọ na-agbanahụ ya. Mmadụ ahụ agbanahụ okpu oku akpọrọ ya.
Ya ọ mee ha na ya. Onye bụ alụsị be nna ya nne ife na-eme ya akwụsị.
Ife niile na-eme ya akwụsị. Maka afọ nka mmadụ ga-esi hapụ omenala mebe omenala. Omenakwa na nsogbu ya niile agwụ.
Okay. Nsogbu adịrọ. Daalụ eze mmụọ.
Okay. Nsogbu adịrọ.
Ada nwa Chukwu nyelu uche nwa nwere amamife onye nkụzi dị na-akụzila anyị ife ada ndị Igbo nwa nwere uche ị na-akụzili ụmụ ụwa ife ma ife mmụọ